Hi, welcome to our tip in assembly Onshape. I want to have a mate between this face and the center and the origin, that is. How can you do that to make sure that this face meets at the ZX axis at this point? You first need a mate connector at this point. You can see Z axis, the primary axis similar to the cube, X axis and Y axis the similar thing. Then you need another mate connector onto this face like that. But you see now the orientation of both axes is different. Make sure that the orientation of XYZ is similar to the orientation of the mate connector at the origin. Therefore, you edit this mate connector. We want to realign so that the primary axis is facing up. Z axis is your primary axis. You select this line so that the Z axis can face up. Now you can see this mate connector and this mate connector, they face same direction. In case X and Y Z axis are different, you can always rotate along the primary axis like that. Then select OK. Lastly, select mate. I'm using fastened mate. Select these two mate connectors. As you can see now, the part moves to where it is supposed to be. Okay, that's how you made your part using a mid origin mate connector. Let me delete this mate and illustrate something else. Let me delete everything. Assume I need an angle. This one to be, as you can see, this one is horizontal like x-axis, but I need this one to be at an angle. This body at maybe at that angle to the origin. How can you do that? Okay, simple. Let me use a symmetric instead. I need a mate connector again at this point, origin. Okay, then I need another mate connector at this part on the lower bottom face like that. Now as you can see, XZ axis, that is the primary axis, is facing different directions. That is okay. Then we need to make fastened mate using these two like that. Then you use what we call an offset. You can offset, you want to rotate, as you can see now, we can now rotate along y-axis so that the part can be at an angle. Therefore, rotate about y-axis and select, if you select 5, you can see the part is rotating along the y-axis. Maybe I need 45, like that. You can see now the part is at an angle of 45 to the horizontal. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tips.